So some challenges that I faced in my career isn't that I didn't know where I wanted to go into a career, because I knew I wanted to do something in technology, but it was more so trying to find out how I can get there and what sort of tools are available for me.
Career Accelerator has a huge number of events which are very specifically designed for business school students. Like networking events, like build your career roadmap. And I've been to a few of these events and they always have a networking session at the end. They often include panelists from the Big Four, from other companies, past students, alumni, whoever has had experiences in business. And they are very valuable if you learn to extract good information from them.
Going to big companies in my internships, I've always felt like, and I've always thought that I wasn't good enough or I wasn't qualified as someone that they wanted to work with. Having Career Accelerator with me and having Maddie Wente to help me and advise me on how to overcome that, it's helped me a lot to get comfortable and to really understand my strengths and to really just blend in so well with the team that I'm working with.
Career Accelerator is one of the main reasons why I have the current job that I do right now as a digital analyst. I attended their Women in Business mentoring program. The mentors, the networking events helped me learn what it is to get professionally developed in Australia. I really took it all very seriously and I applied what I learned, and that became a big stepping stone for me to get the current role I have, which I didn't expect to get so early.
So my top advice for students who need career guidance is to actually look through all the team's postings and the job boards and everything that UNSW sends out. There's a lot of information, but sometimes something catches your eye and it actually really helps you to keep moving forward in your career. I feel like imposter syndrome gets the better of us. We feel like we might not be good enough to do something, and so just going ahead and applying for the job or signing up for a program, it'll actually get you out of your comfort zone and you might actually be successful, and that would make a big difference.
I think for me, what I've realized is a lot of the opportunities and a lot of the experiences that I have now are always because I said yes to the opportunities that I was presented. So whether it's something that is so tiny that I never thought that I would be able to do, just give it a go. And that's what I've done in my entire university degree and my entire professional experience.